Hey everyone, welcome back. This is a short video to show the control that we've been getting with these Bulldog Air style hammers, specifically back here with the 15-pound hammer. So I just wanted to do a quick video to show the range of control that you can get out of this hammer by varying both the PSI, the input pressure, and this kind of little throttle valve right here, which kind of chokes the volume. So we can control it with PSI pressure and volume. This is using only the multi-blow, which is what I have this hooked up for now. But eventually I'm gonna retrofit this to also have the single blow. And on the end of this video, I'll show a bit of control that you can get with a single blow using the 35-pound hammer. Thanks. So this is 25 PSI, full valve, full opening on the valve. That's full stroke. I'll limit the stroke. Let me change the stroke. This is smaller stroke. So that's 25 PSI. So this is 60 PSI. And I'm gonna change the stroke. Full up. This is 100 PSI, full stroke. And I'll choke the stroke. This is 25 PSI, but with the one throttle valve choked. You can see the variation in control just by that other valve. 60 PSI. So that's kind of an intermittent stroke. So this is 100 PSI with that throttle valve choked. So you can see that slows it down some, but still gets it to hit fairly hard. So that's kind of a variation of the range of controls with first just the PSI, and then secondly the PSI and the, kind of the throttle valve choked on it. So that's a range of control that you can expect out of this system. All right, so we're in single blow mode with the 35-pound hammer. I am running only about 40 PSI. And you can see the intensity of the blow. I'll choke the throttle on that. I'm sorry. That's the return speed. I'll choke the throttle a little bit more. And that's the fine control that you can get out of a single blow. Let me crank this up real quick to about 80 PSI. I'm just gonna increase the pressure by increasing the input pressure. You can see how much harder that hits. And then I can control the retract speed by choking this valve. So it hit hard, but it came up gentle. So a lot of control just by varying a couple valves. So anyhow, that's a quick overview using the 15-pound hammer in reciprocating mode to show control with PSI and volume. And then because this is one of the few hammers I have with single blow, also showing that control with single blow. So thanks again for joining me for another video. In this one, I just wanted to simply show the amazing control that these Bulldog Air hammers have with this system. Again, the plans are by my friend Dave Hammer. I will have a link to the plans in the description. Thanks so much for joining me again. Hope you all have a great one.